Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present the best stockbroker in Spain. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. You will get on this website called DEGIRO, and DEGIRO is one of the best investment brokers that you can buy stocks with and also options and other things in Spain. And you can simply click here, visit your local website, España, and let me talk to you about the fees that you're going to actually pay for stocks and why I think it's the best. I made also a video in which I was comparing all the stockbrokers, and I really think that DEGIRO is best as a stockbroker for Spain, and let me explain why. Not only that Brokerage was one of the best reviews for stockbrokers, said that it's the best discount broker and best broker for stock trading, DEGIRO. Also, the fees are really low. When you would come here to the fees, you can see that you got 0.7 per share on DEGIRO. This is the first thing. The second thing is that the options fee is 0.50 per contract. You don't have any account fee, any inactivity fee, any deposit fee or withdrawal fee. So customer support is great. And also when you would come here to DEGIRO, how it feels to trade, it's just like really good. Now also, you can see the markets and products here. That they don't have Forex, they don't have CFD, but they have everything else. And if you want to buy long-term investing into ETFs, or you want to buy stocks and hold them for a long time, DEGIRO is like the best choice that you can do and that you can use for investing. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and give you some advice or value. And yeah, thank you very much, guys. Have a great day and goodbye. And last thing I wanted to share with you that a list of ETFs are completely for free, one time per month. They're not going to pay anything. But what you can do and what is possible is that you can actually buy more than one ETF for free, but you need to invest more than 1,000 euro. So thank you very much, guys. Have a great day and goodbye. See you.